Evening, folks. DC Works here. I thought I'd do a little bit of an update on my toolbox slash workbench video. I did clean up the little snap-on toolbox and I added that. I still have to add some metal and stuff to the bench and do some painting, but I cleaned that little snap-on toolbox up and added it to my little 54-inch snap-on toolbox. I haven't got much in the toolbox yet, but we've got a few things in here. This is all proto. A couple little snap-on wrenches. This is all just miscellaneous proto and some extra sockets. Here's a little small drawer of Klein screwdrivers. This one is still empty. Just some miscellaneous woodworking tools. Small drawer of extra hammers. I found these 3 Craftsman hammers on Black Friday for $3 a piece, so they added to the collection. Down here I've got some engine parts for a 350 build that I might do one day. Anyhow, that's kind of a neat thing to put a toolbox underneath a bench because it kind of doubles your capacity. Gotta take the wheels off. They gotta be about 34, 32 inches high. Depends on how tall you want your bench, of course. But there you have it. A little bit of an update. So, appreciate you watching.